Hi everyone, here we've got POCO F3 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number in this device. So actually, as usual, we will show you two different ways to check those unique numbers, and let me begin with the fastest one, which requires the secret code. So let's enter the dialer and open the dial pad, and here we have to enter the code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see here, we've got both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way to check those numbers, for example, in case that for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings here. Now we have to find about phone. It should appear at the very top of the list. That was a misclick, sorry. And here we have to scroll and tap on all specs. Here we have to scroll down and tap on the status, and as you can see here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and if you'd like to check the serial number, just tap on model and hardware and it appears right here. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your POCO F3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.